AVAIL Harvest for AutoCAD and Civil 3D supports the ability to extract blocks from block libraries to render high-res previews and full-text search of drafting views in the AVAIL desktop. AVAIL also supports harvesting non-block DWG files that may be sitting in a folder on your network. AVAIL natively supports the ability to index these DWG files directly into an AVAIL channel. However, the native previews are difficult to read. This is where Harvest comes into play. Publishers can open the Harvest tab, then select Harvest Previews for Channel. After you select the channel, you'll be prompted to begin the harvest process. Before you do, you also have the option to retain your original layer colors, or by default, AVAIL will convert those to black and white. Now you're ready to click Start to begin the harvest process. After harvest is complete, jump over to the AVAIL desktop to see the output. After a quick channel refresh, you'll see the harvest magic take effect. You'll automatically see the high-res previews, and behind the scenes, Harvest has already stored all of the full-text search data. You can test out the full-text search capabilities by locating a keyword on the view, then searching the channel or your global library for the same keyword. Start using Harvest today to elevate the presentation and searchability of your DWG library. Thanks for tuning in. Explore the next video to dive deeper and learn more about AVAIL.